How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be changing the headlight bulbs on this Mark II Ford Focus. Right, the only tool you're going to need for this job is a big flathead screwdriver. First up, you want to open the bonnet and you'll have access to your headlights. So you get your big flathead screwdriver. There's your screw here. Just unscrew, take this out, right, and then you grab your headlight, shake it loose and pull it out. Next, you need to remove this cover right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs. Just push down on them, pull up, and that's open. Okay, so next you wanna this plastic holder, you just pull out firmly, and then this metal clip here you push down and release, and there's your headlight bulb. Now when replacing your headlight bulb, please remember not to touch the glass. So just take it and you'll see there's a little notch in here. That's where it just slots in. Clip it down, take your connector, push it back in, your cover, push that back in, clicks, and just securely put that back. Get your screw, screw that back on, and once you're done putting the screw in, turn your headlight switch on and it's working. And now you just repeat the same steps for the other side. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.